This video is how to enter consultation data into patient records. We'll be covering how to start a consultation, how to add text, codes and numeric data into patient records, a couple of handy shortcuts and tips, and how to use templates in your consultation. Consultations can be started from booked appointments or visits if you have the consultation from appointments access right on your profile. Otherwise, with the patient record retrieved, you can begin a consultation by clicking here. In the consultation box that opens, you can enter any information required. This can include free text, and you can hit return to space out your entry if desired. There are a large number of ways to enter coded information into a consultation. For example, you can select from the automatic codes that are displayed as you type in order to enter that information in a coded format. Notice how text turns green when it becomes coded data. There are some handy shortcuts too. For example, you can quickly record a blood pressure by simply typing BP, making a space, and then immediately typing in the blood pressure reading, then a space or enter. This BP will then turn red to indicate it has been recognised as a coded reading. You also have several options in the right-click menu on each of the consultation fields. Here you can open the code browser to add a specific code. This is where you can search for the exact code that you want to record. You could also use the right-click menu to add specific types of blood pressures, for example, specifying that a blood pressure is from a sitting or standing reading. You can also record numeric values. If you frequently use the numerics this way, add some of them to your favourites list. This will speed up your future consultations. If you prefer to type out your consultation and then go back to code it afterwards, you can put the cursor at the end of the word and use Ctrl and space, or right-click and search last two words, and this will show suggestions for the code based on what you have typed. An alternative method to consultations, which could be used in conjunction with the options just shown, is the use of data entry templates or questionnaires. These configurable templates allow the entering of numeric information, coded data, dates and free text notes within a guided format. Typically, they are accessed via the clinical tree, through toolbar icons, or by typing the name of the item into the search features bar. If you want to find out more about using or making data entry templates and questionnaires, have a look at the specific videos that we've made on those. If a patient is discussing multiple problems with you within the same consultation, use this option here to get a new window to type into. This will help you keep the issues separate. For common consultations, you could also utilise the automatic consultation functionality. This is a type of locally configured template. This will very quickly allow you to add predefined codes, free text and other information directly into your consultation window. In this instance, the heartburn template we have created will automatically prescribe some medication as well as entering text and coded information. Other templates may be set up to add vaccinations or numeric data. In any case, the data added by the automatic consultation template can be amended or added to as required. Take a look at our auto consultation video to see how to set these up at your organisation. All information added during the consultation stage is automatically displayed within the patient's journal. This information also displays the date and time, the location and the user who recorded it. The final thing to do is ensure that you save the record. This stores the data you have entered and closes the record. So do this once you've completed your entry and then you are ready to see the next patient on your list. If you began by using consultation from the right-click options on the appointment, you should see the system has automatically updated the appointment to finished. If you searched for the patient first and then started the consultation manually, simply right-click and select Finish to mark the appointment as done before you move on to the next patient.